Ready?
You just go up to the anchor point.
How fast should I take her?
It's up to you and your climber.
How's that feel? Too fast?
Tree hugger!
Too fast?
You need you need to let go of the.
There you go.
Hey, we're a photographer. Get a picture of her tree climbing.
Why am I swinging? What am I doing?
Now you know that tree climbing
Ready to go down?
training is more expensive, right?
Okay.
Well, you need
Watch
to.
out for your butt.
Okay.
Okay, you're good.
Okay, Elizabeth, you're getting close to an overhang. Keep your feet. Don't let it hit your face.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna get my climbing shoes on now. Oh, there is a glass bottle right down here.
Okay, I'll go slow.
I mean, I'll be okay, but we can get it before we go.
I'm just gonna like little by little.
Okay.
It does rub over the rocks a bit more that way, I guess. But
Yeah, I was going to try to get her to get back over on the
You okay?
other side.
I'm good.
No, come on down. Just keep letting her lower you. Come on down. You walk all the way back over here to me
I'm still lowering you.
while you're tied in.
Why did I swing so much? Is that normal or did I do something?
It could have been me.
Uh-uh.
It wasn't me. It was just kind of like the angle probably.
Yeah, it just.
yeah, the angle wants to kick you out there.